I'm Dr. George Borst. I'm one of the endocrinologists here at King's Daughters Medical Center. Been here for quite a while and like what I do. So the prevalence of diabetes nationally is 9.4%. So 1 out of 11 people in the country have diabetes. And 1 out of 4 of those people don't know they have it. Locally, the highest prevalence in the country is West Virginia. It's about 15%. And Kentucky is not far behind, 13% of people in Kentucky. So more than 1 out of 8 people in Kentucky have diabetes. But more importantly, 1 out of 3 of those people with diabetes in Kentucky don't yet know they have it. And prediabetes is even worse. So about 3 times as many people have prediabetes. And in Kentucky, only 11%, only 1 out of 9 people with prediabetes currently know that they have prediabetes. And if they knew they had it and took some action earlier on, then they prevent a lot of the problems that can occur if they let it go. The measures that the patient would take if they had the prediabetes would be diet and exercise. Diet and exercise can greatly reduce insulin resistance, which is the cause of adult onset diabetes, and it decreases the risk that this would go on into diabetes at a later time. There's not a lot of warning signs until it gets more severe, so most of the time it's getting screened with your primary care doctor so that you find out. If diabetes does occur, then people get excess thirst and urination, their overall energy level goes down. And if those things occur, then you need to go rather quickly to your doctor and get diagnosed and get on treatment. If you got very close to diabetes, the physician may institute some drug therapy like metformin or even newer things like Ozempic or Mounjaro that would decrease the rate of it going on into diabetes. So there's lots of things that can be done. If we identify prediabetes, a lot of people, and I have a lot of patients that have been in prediabetes for years and years and years, and they're still nowhere close to going to diabetes, and that's because they've taken these steps.